Welcome to my local reviews, where the reviews are hardcore. Today's review is over Gatorade Frost Rain Strawberry Kiwi. There we go. There we go. It's been in the refrigerator so it's cold. And here we go, Gatorade. Watered down strawberry. I don't really taste the kiwi in it, and the strawberry's real faint, so yeah, watered down strawberry. Oh yeah. Can't really elaborate any more than that. It's watered down strawberry. So, anyway, that's it for today. Remember, whatever you do in life, keep it hardcore.